In this video, I'll guide you through the process of applying for an SSS salary loan online. Start by visiting member.sss.gov.ph and logging in with your user ID and password. Then click Sign In. Once logged in, go to the Loans tab and select Apply for Salary Loan from the options. To proceed with the loan application, you'll need to provide your bank account details where the loan proceeds will be received. This can be any PesoNet accredited bank under your name or a UBP Quick Card if you have one. Note that providing an invalid account number will result in the unsuccessful crediting of your loan proceeds and may lead to the cancellation of your approved loan. Moreover, disbursement via check is no longer available. Now, let's walk through how to nominate a bank account. Make sure to read the additional reminders to ensure that the proceeds will be credited to the correct bank account. Tick the box to certify that you've read and understood the reminders, then click Proceed. Select Bank from the options and provide the correct bank account name, which should match your SSS registered name, and the correct bank account number. Select the PesoNet bank such as Metro Bank and enter the bank account number. Attach the required supporting documents. Proof of account. This can be an ATM card with your account number and name, a bank certificate or statement issued within the current year, a foreign remittance receipt, a passbook, a validated deposit slip, or a screenshot of your online or mobile banking account. ID card or identification document. Upload a clear copy of one valid government-issued ID or document, such as a UMIN. Selfie or photo. Take a chest-level selfie holding the uploaded proof of account and the valid government-issued ID. Tick the box to certify that all information and documents provided are true and correct. Then click Enroll to complete the bank account enrollment process. Take note of the details shown on the enrollment confirmation message and wait for the email notification from SSS. After around 2 hours, you'll receive an email and SSS notification stating that the submitted proof of account has been processed and approved. Now you can continue with the application for the salary loan. Review the details on the page, including your contact information with SSS, the loanable amounts, and where the proceeds will be credited. Click Proceed. The next page is the disclosure statement on the loan transaction, which includes details such as the loan amount, charges, net proceeds, schedule of payments, and terms and conditions of the loan. The loan shall be payable within 2 years in 24 equal monthly amortizations, starting on the second month following the approval date. Tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions, then click Proceed. You'll then have the chance to review the details that will be submitted to SSS. Once confirmed, a success page will appear showing the date and time of submission, where the loan will be credited, the transaction number, and the date until when the employer should certify the application. Click OK. You'll be notified that the employer has approved your salary loan application. The loan proceeds are expected to be credited to the valid nominated bank account within 3 to 5 working days. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more online and on-site government transaction videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.